You think you can achieve anything? That's adorable. You've been fed a nice little lie. One where, if you just want something bad enough, the universe will magically deliver it to your doorstep with a bow on top. Spoiler alert, it won't. The truth? You've been playing this game like it's a board game and not a high-stakes chess match. You've been told, follow your passion, manifest your dreams. But no one told you about the part where you actually have to earn it. And guess what? That's the part where you're getting it all wrong. I'm the Dark Light Mentor. Don't get too comfy yet. I'm about to hit you with a dose of reality you didn't sign up for. You think the problem is you haven't found your big why. Nah, the problem is that you've been sitting in the waiting room of life, waiting for someone to hand you a permission slip. The game doesn't care about your excuses. It doesn't care about how tired you are, or how many motivational books you've read. It cares about the one thing nobody tells you: action. Action is the secret sauce that turns dreams into reality. So while you're over here scribbling in your journal about how you're going to change the world is out there laughing at your scribbles. Here's the shocking part. Everything you want, every single thing, is already sitting in front of you. The job you want? It's already there, but you're still too busy waiting for the perfect moment to go for it. The relationship you dream of? It's staring at you through the reflection in the mirror, but you're scared to put in the work it demands. The money? Yeah, it's there too, hiding behind the hustle you're pretending to avoid. Stop thinking that you're just waiting for the right opportunity to fall into your lap. Opportunities are like bus stops. You either get on or you miss the ride. Simple as that. Now, I'm not here to motivate you like some YouTube life coach that claps his hands and says, you can do it. No. I'm here to dismantle the idea that you can achieve anything without paying the price. Want to level up? Then you need to stop being a spectator. This is where you need to make a decision, and it's one you've been avoiding for far too long. What's the thing you've been pushing off? The one thing that, if you faced it right now, would force you to stop hiding behind excuses? I'm giving you 30 seconds to make that choice. Here's the fun part. The real game begins now. I'm giving you an assignment, but it's not some cute, motivational quote to hang on your wall. Nah, I'm talking about a challenge that'll test your willpower, your focus, and most importantly, your character. Right now, decide one action, one big move that you've been avoiding. No, not tomorrow, not next week, right now. You know what it is, the thing that makes you break into a cold sweat just thinking about it. Whatever that is, I want you to commit to it, fully, today. If you do this, you'll see that you've been sitting on the biggest opportunity of your life. If you don't, well, you're just gonna keep wondering why nothing changes. I know what you're thinking. Oh, I've tried before, but it didn't work out. Nice try. That's the same excuse everyone gives when they hit the wall. The difference between the people who achieve anything and the people who just watch life go by is simple. The ones who make it take responsibility for their own reality. They own their failures, they embrace the grind, and they keep going even when they're scared. They don't wait for the stars to align. They create the stars. So here's where we test your commitment. I want you to drop a comment below. Right now, tell me what you're going to do today that'll push you toward your goal, even if it's uncomfortable. And don't just say, I'll figure it out. Number, I want a concrete action, a promise you'll hold yourself to. If you're serious about making things happen, you'll be brave enough to take that first step and tell the world. Or maybe you won't. Maybe you'll continue to sit on the sidelines of your own life, too scared to take a risk. Let's see what you're made of. The real question is, are you going to let this moment slip by? Or are you finally going to take control of your destiny? The choice is yours, but be warned, if you waste it, don't come back crying when the world passes you by. You've been warned.